Hello my dear friends, welcome back to CSIR at Home. Timetable for day 78 to day 84. Day 78. Morning 5 to 6 a.m. study evolution, natural selection. Which book to refer? Margaret Lee. 6 to 7 a.m. study cytoskeleton. Bruce Alberts. 9 to 10 a.m. microscope. 10 to 11 a.m. cytoskeleton, Bruce Albert. Then 11 to 12 p.m. study evolution, directional selection by fishing on pink salmon, Mark Ridley. 12 to 1 p.m. bright field microscope, Prescott. Then 3 to 4 p.m. you can revise day 71. Okay. Then 4 to 5 p.m. disruptive selection in the seed cracking finch. Then 6 to 7 p.m. the thermal stability of cytoskeleton filament with dynamic ends. Study from Bruce Alberts. 7 to 8 p.m. variation, morphological, biochemical, cellular and DNA level. Okay. Then 9 to 10 and 10 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 79. Morning you have to study cytoskeleton from Bruce Alberts, page number 896 and 897. Day 79. Morning 5 to 6 a.m. study cytoskeletal proteins, Bruce Alberts, 896 and 897. Then 6 to 7 a.m. organism in a population vary in reproductive success, evolution, Mark Ridley. Then 9 to 10 a.m. study actin and actin binding proteins, Bruce Alberts. 10 to 11 a.m. phase contrast microscope, Prescott. Then 11 to 12 p.m. previous year questions, 2014. Then 12 to 1 p.m. variation, mutation and recombinations, Mark Ridley. 3 to 4 p.m. revise day 72. Then 4 to 5 p.m. industrial melanism. Okay, industrial melanism in moth evolved by natural selection, evolution. Then 6 to 7 p.m. fluorescence microscope. 7 to 8 p.m. the time course of actin polymerization in a test tube, Bruce Alberts. Then 9 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 80. Morning 5 to 6 a.m. study transmission electron microscope. Then 6 to 7 a.m. ATP hydrolysis within actin filament. Okay. Then 9 to 10 a.m. the scanning electron microscope, Prescott. Then 10 to 11 a.m. pesticide resistance in insect is an example of natural selection, Mark Ridley. Then 11 to 12 p.m. some of the major accessory proteins of actin cytoskeleton. Then 12 to 1 p.m. some of the major accessory protein, the same thing. Okay, you have to study. 3 to 4 p.m. revise day 73. Then 4 to 5 p.m. previous year questions. Okay, 6 to 7 p.m. effect of thymosin and profilin on actin polymerization. Then 7 to 8 p.m. confocal microscopy. 9 to 11 revise and prepare short notes. Then day 81. Morning 5 to 6 a.m. the biological species concept. 6 to 7 a.m. scanning probe microscopy. 9 to 10 a.m. the ecological species concept. 10 to 11 a.m. previous year questions. 7 to 12 p.m. the phenetic species concept, Mark Ridley, evolution. Then 12 to 1 p.m. southern hybridization, BDC. 3 to 4 p.m. revise day 74. 4 to 5 p.m. actin nucleating factors. Okay, those factors accelerate polymerization and generate branched or straight filaments. Study from Bruce Alberts. Then 6 to 7 p.m. revise phytochromes. Okay, you can check previous videos. Okay. Then 7 to 8 p.m. replica plating, T.A. Brown. Then 9 to 11 prepare and short notes. Then day 82. Morning high order actin filament arrays influence cellular mechanical properties and signaling. 6 to 7 a.m. isolating barriers, Mark Ridley. 9 to 10 a.m. identification of recombinant phages. Then 10 to 11 a.m. pre-zygotic isolation. 11 to 12 p.m. previous year questions. And 12 to 1 p.m. high order actin filament arrays influence cellular mechanical properties and signaling. 3 to 4 p.m. revise day 75. 4 to 5 p.m. Mating preference, a form of pre-zygotic isolation. 6 to 7 p.m. blotting methods, BDC. 7 to 8 p.m. geographic variation within a species, and 9 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 83. 5 to 6 a.m. geographic variation may also caused by genetic drift. Then 6 to 7 a.m. the cycle of structural changes used by myosin 2 to walk along an acting filament, Bruce Alberts. 9 to 10 a.m. geographic variation may take the form of a cline, okay, Mark Redley. 10 to 11 a.m. dot blot technique, BDC. 11 to 12 p.m. character displacement in North American salamanders, Mark Ridley. Then 12 to 1 p.m. pyrosequencing, BDC. 3 to 4 p.m. revised day 76. And 4 to 5 p.m. a sudden rise in cytosolic calcium concentration initiates muscle contraction. Okay, 6 to 7 p.m. taxonomy concept. 7 to 8 p.m. western blotting, and 9 to 11 p.m. revise and prepare short notes. Day 84. Morning 5 to 7 a.m. revise evolution. Okay, 9 to 11 a.m. revise cytoskeleton. Then 12 to 1 p.m. previous year questions 2014. Then 3 to 4 p.m. revise day 77. Then 4 to 5 p.m. you can study herbicide resistant plants. Okay, you can watch the video in our channel, or you can refer to Glick and Pasternak. Okay, 6 to 8 p.m. revise methods, and 9 to 11 p.m. you can watch videos, daily dose. Okay, if you like this, please like and share. Okay, thank you.